Hey guys, Lewis here, and today we're gonna go over how you can buy some Floki Inu tokens. So, the way we do this is through getting the BNB token and swapping it for the Floki Inu. Now, the process is first we visit this website, the Binance Academy website, the link down below, and we need to connect our Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have Metamask, you can download it from the Google Chrome store. So once you're in this link, I want you to scroll to the bottom until you see something called Mainnet. Now you click on your Metamask and then you click on this thing at the top. The end product is to have a new wallet called the Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. I've already gone ahead and done this, but to add this, you click custom RPC and you'd map these attributes to what's in here. So you'd say smart chain, and you'd give the URL, blockchain explorer symbol, currency symbol BNB, etc., and you click save. Once you've clicked save, it should take you back to the main network, so you can click on the drop down and the Binance Smart Chain Network mainnet network will be there, so you click on that. And then what we want to do now is actually buy the BNB. The best way we're going to do that is we're going to go to Binance.com. Now you'll need to register for an account and you'll need to verify your ID and all that, and then add your credit card details. So to buy BNB, what you would do is you'd go to buy crypto and then credit debit card, and then you can click here where it says BTC and buy BNB. We'll click that. Let's say if we want to buy $100 worth, you click continue, and then it would take you to and then it would deposit that in your wallet on this website. Keep in mind the minimum you should buy, because the end goal is we want to get the BNB into our new wallet that we created. The minimum amount you need is 0.1. So once you've done that, we need to go to fiat and spot so we can withdraw our tokens. So you'd scroll down until you find BNB and you'd click withdraw. What you want to do is you want to now open up your Metamask again. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain Network, not the Ethereum one. So the Binance Smart Chain Network, and then you click the account at the top and it'll copy it and you paste it into the address. It'll already configure it for you. It's congested, so when it swaps the coins, it might take a while. You give it an amount and you click withdraw. Now, if you want to actually track it, you can click this down here and it'll give you all the details about how the transfer is going. It might take you 20 or 40 minutes because it is congested at the moment. So that sends the BNB from the Binance website to our Metamask wallet. For example, if I bought 0.008 BNB, it should now show in here. What we need to do is swap this BNB into Floki tokens. And how we do that is we go to the actual Floki Inu website.com, or the Floki Inu website. You can read about the coin here further if you want, but we really want to click buy on PancakeSwap. And then if you're new to PancakeSwap, it'll be a few pop-ups. A few pop-ups will occur when you actually visit the website. Just keep on clicking next and next and next so you can sync your MetaMask to PancakeSwap. See how it's already picked up. I have 0.07 BNB. what we want to do is we want to go 0.00. Let's do a really small amount, and to Floki, and oops, that's wrong. Yep, there we go. And yeah, so it says here I can get 710 Floki if I can swap 0.004 BNB for 710 Floki, and all you do is click swap. I think there might be a minimum to 0.004, so you'd have a much larger amount if you were doing this. And then once you've done that, wait about 20 to 30, 40 minutes, and it should appear in your wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy Floki tokens through the BNB Binance website. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want. I can answer any of your questions. And yeah, have a great day.